building software to help my Brazilian clients get closer to an American accent, and in the next 5 minutes or less, I want to demo that software for you and also document a bit about how I run and grow my business overall for anyone that might be interested in that. So let's dive in. We're in the quiz part of the app, and we have vowels and consonants. Close the sidebar. We'll dive into vowels, specifically kit versus fleece, as an example contrast.
Sit. Sit.
So you hear native audio and you pick which word you believe it was. If you get it right, you get immediate green feedback.
Bean.
And if you get it wrong, you get immediate red feedback.
Each.
The UI shows you color and percentage based on the accuracy of your last 30 trials, the average. You also get similar color-coded feedback in the UI in some other ways, which you can kind of slow down the video if you want to see more of what's going on. I'm playing with some different ways of presenting the data. You can also see your trend over time. Now, the technical side, the back end of the quiz is in Postgres. I've had over 1,500 trials from my paying clients so far. Feedback that it's even addictive. So good, initial early feedback so far, which is nice. Sidebar expands and contracts. Shadcn component with some custom stuff as well. Light mode and dark mode. Tailwind. Log in, log out. Auth 0. Works on mobile. Not a native app yet, but it may become one via React Native. PWA prompt. Audio admin, so I can check audio and whether it's coming from API or Postgres for the quiz. Now the next most important part is the transcript viewer. I have permission to share this from this client. So I get audio from a client and then I analyze their accent manually, and I right click what I hear, a given target sound and the way they messed it up based on my perception of a so-called general American accent. And then we get an imperfect but useful data set of things floating to the top, and we can see, based on frequency, some of the key targets, issues, and words that float to the top to help them kind of triage their practice. And for some of the more common issues, I have links to Reels. Some of the more common ones across all my clients, I have links to relevant Instagram Reels where I demo or explain that issue, but they can also click on any given word to hear native examples via Uglitch or another API. They can also click to hear how they said it.
With the product team.
There's keyboard shortcuts and a help modal, jump left and right, change speed, on hover filtering in different ways. You can change selections. You can also port it to ChatGPT with a pre-filled prompt to get some custom practice words and phrases based on their specific issues and words that they actually messed up. So that's cool. And the back end for this part is Airtable. You can see I've manually annotated about 3,000 words and almost 4,000 instances of accent issues and other stuff in the app of relevance. There's a little visual thing showing in blue vowel sounds, and they're mapping to in green vowel letters, just to show how crazy that is for anyone learning English. It's tricky. We also have a vowel synthesizer to help clients explore these contrasts in vowels and continuous vowel space in a synthetic way. Got a minute and 30 left, so let's dive to the business side now. So majority of my leads and clients come from Instagram, organic Reels. Got pretty good performance on some of them historically. Link in bio is the main way that people come into my funnel. Some ManyChat stuff, but mainly link in bio. Step one of the funnel is this sales page with the mini webinar, CTA headline above the fold, testimonials. Step two, when you click, is an application with a standard format I learned from my mentor. It's in SurveyMonkey. If they abandon it, there's automations via Make and ActiveCampaign to follow up with them via email. Used to be WhatsApp as well, but I got nervous about some automation there, and I now just do manual follow-up with better qualified prospects. And then on the back end, this also comes into Airtable, so I can see who's qualified and follow up in a semi-automated way with pre-filled WhatsApp prompts. I can see traffic data and how deep they go in the funnel via Plausible, as well as my custom admin, app that I'm building to see end-to-end acquisition performance. It's imperfect. I'm working on it, but I've got these Sankeys that connect together, so I can see, just a bunch of fun stuff. I've also got this custom Airtable thing to see which reels have performed the best and repost them more easily. And just to pop into the code just real quick, not to show everything, but here's a little package JSON thing. It's probably has a lot to improve, but I've got these core front end and back end packages that are used in the app.